Okay guys, so going over the setup and the technique, we're going to have a band or a cable on its low setting with the handle. We're going to come into more of a staggered stance, which will be just taking one step forward. But when you're manoeuvring yourself around, just make sure that you've got this cable close to the chest as you manoeuvre. So staggered stance, literally just one step forward, both feet facing forwards, hips forwards, chest is forwards. And then from here, we're going to look to keep that rib cage down. So we're looking for rib cage on top of the pelvis. So breathing in through the nose slightly, and then exhaling through the mouth, drawing down the rib cage, just making sure not to draw in at the tummy, keep forward in the belly, but then we're maintaining that posterior tilt in the pelvis, so just rolling it back slightly. From there, we're just going to sink down. So slight bit of knee flexion, both heels are down as well. So just looking to keep the alignment in the spine as well. This is where the cable's going to drag you back, so just making sure not to hyperextend the lower back. Keep yourself forwards, crunch down slightly. So from here, we're going to have the opposite arm forwards. So breathing in for the nose whilst keeping the rib cage down. Slight breath in for the nose, and then breathing out for the mouth. That's when we're going to push forwards. So just putting this cable back. So regarding this angle of the cable and where we're pushing, really we're looking for between 120 to 160 degrees. So for instance, that would be roughly at this angle to roughly about this angle. So that's where the cable can be. I'm roughly at about 120 here, but you can go higher if you so desire. And then it's just a case of your forearm staying in line with the cable. The cable is going to be to the side, so neutral with the fist. And then what you can do when you push forwards, we're just going to rotate the thumb. So it's then pushing forwards here, breathing out through the mouth. So whilst you're pushing, and also with the pulling element, just making sure not to shrug the shoulder. Shoulder blade down, but reaching long. So it's as simple as that. Any questions, let me know.